What the hell? The hell? Something tall. He's actually going through the bins. This guy's asleep.
Remember that sculpture?
Oh yeah.
I sold it, bro.
You got it sold?
Yeah, and what the watch is at?
How much did you got it for?
Well, it's worth 10 million, but I sold it for 40. You feel me?
Sell it for 40.
Yeah. Where
Alright.
the watches be at though?
Watches?
Yeah, I just gotta find the watches because I'm gonna buy a watch and I'm gonna keep selling sculptures. You feel me?
Yeah.
And the watch is just like I know how much the watch
Get
is
under
really.
it, get under it.
I know how much the watch is really worth. You feel me? But it's not even about that. But go crazy. You have a nice one.
Alright, yeah. Be safe, bro.
Remember the no. In Haiti.
Yeah.
Remember the other big white guy?
Yeah,
he got
the
kidnapped.
The Arab guy.
The Arab guy got kidnapped in Haiti.
man.
And they wanted how much from him?
Yeah, Jamaican.
Yeah, man, from that man, you know.
Let me want about a couple million. Let me want from
Thank
about
you.
4 million.
Couple million.
Thank you. You see?
Yo, I'm telling you.
I watch his money, you
Nah,
know.
man, if you go to Haiti and you about to touch down in Haiti, you gotta have your peoples already know that you coming.
Which country you from?
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, like I'm really from like Africa and shit, but I'm half.
Oh.
Good.
But you look like you have a whole heap of Jamaican friends.
Of course.
Because-
All of it.
Every respect.
Respect.
Can I get a rap?
Me?
You got a rap like a rap. Oh, I rap too. How you gonna tell me that shit, but that bitch don't tell me about the taxi? I'm not giving a fuck because I had to. If you gonna tell me that shit, bitch gonna give me the. Never gonna get kidnapped because I got the smarts. Bad bitch talking about the shit Pop Tart.
So this is a town that never sleeps, right? Manhattan. Alright, so we are actually on 7th Avenue. Yeah, right across from the Bank of America on 7th Avenue. And we're gonna walk all the way back to Times Square, which is in this direction. The time is now 3 a.m. So this is what 3 a.m. looks like in Manhattan. Let's go. Let's see what 3 a.m. looks like in Manhattan, the town that never sleeps. So this is 3 a.m. in the morning. And we are on 7th Avenue, walking to the direction of Times Square. Alright, can we catch this light right here? So if you're just joining, this is not a narrating video, but this is just to show the world what, 3 a.m. looks like in Manhattan. But it's a little bit after 3, in the a.m. So, and it's not a narrating video, we're just walking to see what it looks like if the town really sleeps. There are loads of people still out and thing, but yeah, very, very scanty. Yeah. This car looks like it's in the middle of the road, but it's parked. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's kinda scary. Even though car just the right this hard drive. As almost all of the place them lock. You know what I mean? Remember, Manhattan is always a town that lit and people everywhere. So I'm honestly not sure if there are going to be people at Times Square. So this is why I'm actually walking from this direction to see if there will actually be people still at Times Square. Train still around though. How many persons in Manhattan like this? Alright, let's go. Alright, the white man. White man. White man. What the hell is that? What's wrong with this guy? He probably mad drunk or something. What the hell is going on here? Check this out. What the hell? What's wrong with this guy? Seems like it's the time for the zombies to come out. It's either rum or he's mad high. What the hell? And you can't see that? Go. What? What is he on? Zombie time. A joke this. What? What the hell? The hell? Zombie tone. Shit. We didn't give him a drink. Go. Go.
Oh, shoot, ski.
Zombie tone. Messed up. It's messed up. Wind up on something where me not even want to smell it. I don't know. Maybe it can be an illness too. Could be. Could be an illness too. But why that illness have to come out like right now? Yeah. It's crazy. So we're walking in Manhattan if you're just joining, and this is a town that never sleeps, as they say. So far, it is now. Let me check the time. It is now 3:26. It is now 3:26 in the AM in Manhattan. Now we're walking on 7th Street heading to Times Square. Okay? That's if you're just joining. Some places are still open like right through the night. Like this is open still. So these places are still open. going through the bins. It looks sensible, but I bin him I go through. Clean clothes. Clean clothes, man. This guy's asleep. Supreme Deli open. And Marcy Market open too. 24 hour upon them, Mr. Chin. Hey, hey, my man. Tell him there's 2 cones stuck under the truck. Hey, bro. Oh, hey, hey, bro. There's some cones under the truck. There are 2 cones under the truck at the front. See it? Alright, yeah. You saw them. There's some cones stuck underneath the truck. The Subway is 24 hours, as in the Subway restaurant.
Entonces yo creo que ya le pagaron los 3 días.
This guy's asleep. He's just taking a 5, I guess. I guess he's okay. Yeah, he's okay. He's breathing. He's just taking a sleep. Yep, but he's okay. He's breathing. Oh, so this is the street sweepers. Oh, here's the street sweepers. Waiting for that one to pass. How cool is that? open too. This is open too. Look like these guys live in these things or something. Obviously. Oh
I
yeah.
sold it, bro.
You got it sold?
Yeah, and where the watch is at?
How much did you got it for?
Well, it's worth 10 million, but I sold it for 40. You feel me?
Sell for 40.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where the watches be at though?
Watches?
Yeah, I just gotta find the watches because I'm gonna buy a watch and I'm gonna keep selling sculptures. You feel me?
Yeah.
If the watch is just like I know how much the watch
Get
is
out the
really.
door, get out the door.
I know how much the watch is really worth. You feel me? But it's not even about that. But go crazy. You have a nice one.
Alright, yeah. Be safe, bro. He said that he had a. When I first saw him, he had a sculpture of a head. He said it's worth 10 million, but he sold it for 40. He sold it for $40. Good luck on that. So he sold it for 40. Sold it for 40. Madison Square Garden. Respect. Not right now. I say, watch your chin.
Yo, watch your
Yo, hold on. Yo,
He's streaming.
yo.
I'm not
there's a
streaming now.
fucking man right here, you know. No. Relax now. I'm telling you who the fuck this is. Alright. I'm telling you, this man right here. Yeah. What's that white boy name again that you be with? The big fat boy.
Christmas list.
The one. He be like, yo, the one with the big glasses.
Christmas list.
Christmas list. Chris who? Yo,
Yeah.
this the man right here, you know. Chris who?
You know Christmas list?
Christmas list?
Yeah,
Yo.
it's Christmas list.
You heard about the
Santa
man that got,
fucking
yo, I even watched the man that got fucking kidnapped in Jamaica. Remember the guy? No. In Haiti.
Yeah.
Remember the other big white guy?
Yeah,
He got
the
kidnapped.
The Arab
The
guy.
Arab guy got kidnapped in Haiti. And they wanted how much from him?
Yeah, Jamaican.
How much
Yeah, man, from that man, you know.
Then you want about a couple million, then you want
They
from
wanted
him.
Thank
About
you.
4 million.
A couple million.
Thank you. You see?
Yo, I'm telling you.
I watch his money, you
Nah,
know.
man, if you go to Haiti, and you about to touch down in Haiti, you gotta have your peoples already know that you coming.
Which country you from?
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, like I'm really from like Africa and shit, but I'm half.
Oh.
Good.
But you
Yeah.
look like you have a whole heap of Jamaican friends.
Of course.
Wall of
Every respect.
Respect.
Can I get a rap?
Me?
You got a rap, like a rap. Oh, I rap too. How you gonna tell me that shit, but that bitch don't tell me about the taxi? I'm not giving a fuck because I had to. If you gonna tell me that shit, bitch gonna give me the. Never gonna get kidnapped because I got the smarts. That bitch talking about the shit Pop Tart.
Listen.
All right, take care, man, bro.
Respect.
Respect.
Respect. Listen. Alright, bet.
Yeah, man.
Listen.
Man. Me actually see him a couple times and did that make all that. I
Yo, it's
realize
crazy, son. I'm watching every day, man.
This is something now, man.
Huh?
This is something now, man. Me don't know, man. They don't know anything, man. We go everywhere, bro. Hey, you don't see what going over the parade? You don't see a whoop there?
Yo,
You see that?
that was your video?
Bro,
I lie and
it
tell
was
them
next
I
to me, like happened right over there. So just as it subside,
Yeah.
I went over there and catch everything as the cops are just reaching on everything, bro.
Yo,
Yeah, man. I don't play.
yo, that nigga is crazy.
I don't play, man. Check out Jamaica walk by, man. I just see what
He don't know.
So that's you.
That's me.
What the fuck? What up? I was waiting for you to say the name.
Yeah.
He's Jamaica walk by.
Oh, now you know what I'm talking about.
Yo, I've watched these videos where he's in Jamaica just walking.
Yeah, nigga.
He's walking through Jamaica
Yeah.
and just chatting.
Yeah.
And he's like, yo, we have some people there.
Yeah.
They selling some bananas.
Yeah.
They selling some
nice ladies, they see girl
selling
them
some watermelon. That's him. That's
Yeah.
this motherfucker. And then he was on the racetrack, right? There's like a track with
Yeah,
a race.
yeah, yeah,
And he's like, yo, that's me. He's like, yo, he's like, yeah, me there on the racetrack. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then people like, where you there, pan? Me there on the racetrack. You see the racetrack?
Look good, no, man.
Me not too far from Portmore. Them motherfuckers, and my Haitian ass is watching that shit. I'm like, oh shit, that nigga's walking through the whole Jamaica. He's crazy.
Yeah, man. Walk from 3 miles to downtown.
Yeah,
Right
exactly.
through all of the garrison, man.
Exactly, yo.
Then look at the time now, and that's how we need it, brother.
His thing is called Jamaica Walk By, right?
Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica. That's what I was
Yeah,
telling you.
everywhere.
That's what I.
Yeah.
That's what I was telling you with the white boy, with the big white boy that he be with.
Who's that do Christmas?
He's a guy that do all the gangster videos. So he goes all the
What's his name?
dangerous
What's his
hood.
videos?
His name is Christmas List.
Christmas list.
Yeah.
You know who I just saw? You won't believe it. Have you ever heard of Drewski?
Jamaican walk by.
DJ
Yeah.
Drewski.
Oh, it's you!
That's him. That's that motherfucker.
That's TikTok.
Motherfucker.
Yeah.
Yo, man, I gotta get your information. You got a card, man. What the
No,
fuck?
no, card them done, you know. But Jamaica walk by, you have Instagram.
You have
Jamaica
Instagram,
walk
yeah.
by.
Yeah.
On
Just link me on Instagram.
Instagram.
Shot me a message.
Your Instagram.
Yeah, man, I mean, answer. Do this. See that?
Yeah, man.
That's it. So I tell you a yard, are you a real yard, man?
You gotta-
Right, you seal it. So we know we're good. Yeah.
Lock in, you see.
That is it, no man. Look good, no man.
Yeah, man.
Figure
Blessing,
that
you see.
seal.
Bless him.
Easy.
Bless him.
Alright?
man.
Oh,
Yeah.
listen.
Ah, but wait. As on real you Japan. Buckler. Here man.
So the thing is,
Yeah.
so the thing now is, I watched it and I said, but I learned about the place where he was walking. You know what I'm saying? I learned about that. I was like, okay, cool. So
like
I
the look?
I was like, it's just like Haiti. They sell the street food. It's just like Haiti.
That's me when we go Canal Street today.
Yeah.
When we go Canal Street, I say rotted, but that's a look like
You see how
downtown.
you see how
Just like,
see
but
how
downtown
we have the
5.0.
Yeah.
Because it's more pretty and more look decent.
Yeah.
But I see them where the youth them have to think them out on the ground. Do them thing, you see me?
Yeah,
If not catch that man, you don't know a thing already.
Yeah, yo, downtown over there busy, you know.
Yeah man, Canal Street.
Canal Street
Be a
busy.
thing
Yeah,
I want, you know?
busy.
Yeah. But me I walk out Times Square and I make them say,
blessing,
oh, in
blessing,
them
blessing,
time you look, you see me? Man,
Blessing.
outside me they look good now man.
Yo, listen.
Yo.
They call me K.
Yeah, big up man, we are saying. Link me on the gram now man.
We are big up for you tonight now.
Alright, link me on the gram. 1080p.
K 2.0 underscore 1080p.
Respect.
Because my old page used to be Kid Creole.
That is
you
it.
understand?
See, outside me there, one I run go. Which side you now go?
We're going to Brooklyn right now.
Oh, Brooklyn?
Yeah.
Alright, Madam Bad, see? Outside me there, look good. Teach of them. Oh, you mean, it's a vibe. Whoa, that is crazy, like, big up with there. Yo, Jamaica walk by really and make stride. Yo, you see people just random. Look on the time. I saw 4 o'clock in a brother. I saw 4 o'clock in a brother. In a Manhattan, you know. And people are recognize me, see them way and I say, yo. Rrr. So big up to them G there. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. That's crazy. Man. That is something. Damn. What's this guy? He following me here. Watch it. Watch it. Nah, stop following me now. Watch it. Ground feel clean. Huh? Yeah.
After that video we made, I literally sold the sculpture. Like after that, like everything changed.
Yeah man, it's a blessing man, that is
Thank
it.
you so much, bro.
Respect. So this is the Penn Station. That it closed right now. That they might do some clean up or stuff. But this is what before the end of the morning stay in Manhattan. Yeah. Hey, look at this guy right here, sleeping like right on the thing. Man, them are clean. Again. Again. Wow, you see everything over this place, Jaja. I don't know. But I think I see the weirdest things them in a Manhattan. It's crazy. This guy just flipping the thing, thinking where to go. Like a Android. He just flip it and decide which way I'm gonna be. Now both of them link up. Shoot. You saw that? These guys are out of it. Okay, replace after that. Oh man, can I make it? Almost 4 o'clock. Almost 4. At first, we say chicken get transported in a farm. Actually, chicken. Just like how we do it at yard. Here comes this guy again. Let's go. There's a Margaritaville in Manhattan. This guy is still out here. 24-hour new shift.
I got a rap nigga with money like a bug. Who I pay with? Who I pay?
This is what Times Square look like, 4 o'clock. My voices are gone. Cha-cha. This is what Times Square look like after 4. Usually hear some ram-packed with people. Nope. Don't never sleep, but most of the people them go home.
Glory be to the Almighty. I wanna pray with you tonight now. Glory be to the Almighty.
This is Times Square. After 4 in the morning. Jaja. Pretty much empty. The seating here is closed. I guess they close it because them don't want people to be sleeping on there. Homeless people probably go up there go sleep. So that probably be the reason. So we actually walk 7th Avenue from right down at the bank straight up to Times Square. Wow. It's beautiful. And it's after 4 in the morning. So you know who tired now? Wow, but make a close it with that machine, huh? Make me close it with my dream car there. McLaren. Glow. Machine. Machine. McLaren. Whoa. Yeah, we're gonna close it off with that baby. It's beautiful. Very sexy car. Machine. So yeah, big up. Hope you enjoy the video. We see what you don't know. Manhattan look like. Now the after dark. No joke, no doubt. So thanks to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. You know what I mean? So 5 o'clock. So, you know me I go try hold a train or something and go by the yard, go try get some sleep. So big up and respect massive. You know, this is what Manhattan look like after dark. When time the people them gone and this is all left on the street. See me I say? So big up, respect, one love, me tired like dog. Now big up to me general them when me meet on the road to where I've been a watch Jamaica Waba and the GWS subscribe to the thing. Big up on yourself always. You see me I say? It's just a vibe, it's just an energy. And it's just great. Good morning. Yeah, respect. So yeah, blessings and respect to all. It's a great morning and let's see if we can start off the morning great. And hearing my voice, I'm tired. So yeah, one love. If you just watch that video yeah, and you don't know about Jamaica Walk By, please may I ask if you subscribe. But don't just subscribe. Press the arrow beside of the subscribe button or the subscription button. And guess what? Turn on the notification to all because here what? I don't post that often, so your phone won't blow up when time I post and annoy you. See? So I'm only post long videos and go live. You see me? So watch me now. Do that. Just press all and that is it. And remember, drop some comment in the comment section and like the video. See? Give it a thumbs up. One love, peace. We outside Jamaica Walk. Bye.